Yo, sorry guys. I don't know if anybody's on. Let's take a little peek. Who's on? What's good? Oh yeah, 2,800 people watching, huh? I'm gonna teach you a lesson in humidity. Humidity, like when it's warm and muggy out. Coach Calvin. Zero Day Jason here to learn a lesson in humidity. Michael Escorza, Cody, Corey, Keegan, Tony Gold, Vero, Mo, Kevin, Mo, Uncle Mo. Oh shit. AS. These aren't real fucking people. There's probably like 100 of you on. Teaching you a lesson. Teaching you a lesson, Adam. Kenny, Jay Stores, Quang, Tuan On, Trading Star. Oh shit. I bet there's gonna be a lot of names coming up in that shit. Markel, The Funded Grime, what's good? C. Lewis. Yeah, it's fake. It's not me. Someone wants to teach me a lesson in humidity. For my incense will not be tolerated. My insurance rates will not be tolerated, or whatever they said. T. Wolf. Oh, insolence. My insolence. Yeah, it's never gonna happen with the Epstein case. Sebastian, what's good? Cyberpie. T. Wolf. Elaine G. Let me log into these fucking accounts. Oh, of course. Now it fucking bounces. Whatever. What the fuck? Can I not show? I guess so. Oh, there we go. It just doesn't matter. You know what I need to do? Triple M. How do I like this price action? I fucking hate it. Absolutely fucking hate it. By the way, today's your last chance to get 80% off Apex. Until 11:59 p.m. Eastern. If you've been wanting to take advantage of that deal, that's going away. I'm going to take advantage of it a few times. Right now. It's like today has been like the day of my take profit. Well, this is every fucking day, but like today especially, my take profits get hit and I'm not in the trade. Just every fucking time. Every fucking time. That is definitely something I will be working on. Without a doubt. Something I will be working on getting better at. Let's see. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. What I got going. Let me turn my fucking screen on. Where should I start? I'll start with my funded futures. Oh, I didn't even let the fucking DCA gang know that I'm streaming. Fuck. Fuck, man. Anyway, any fucking way. Share screen. Teach you a lesson in humidity. 0 Day Jason. I'm gonna teach you a lesson in humidity. Fucking dumb fuck. All right. Let's see. This is what I was just trading. This fucking eval right here. Well, next time I fucking take a payout from my fund in the futures and I only have like less than $100 of drawdown because I took the max, and I will always fucking take the max, I am not going to trade fucking micros. I'm not going to trade micros because I would have been fine with the 11 points I got on the first trade, but because I only ended up with like 36 bucks, I wanted to trade more and I fucked it up and gave back all my fucking $36 in fucking profit and then hit the daily and then fucking ran out of drawdown. But at least I got paid the max payout on that fucking shit. And then this one, I wanted the short. I let myself get yo-yoed around in this. I had a short right here. I let myself get fucking stopped out for a little baby gain. I was trailing it too tight. My take profit was down here. Look, my take profit was right. Where the fuck is this piece of shit? I took a screenshot of it. Where is it? Right here. Canceled. 313. I would have fucking had this thing passed. So now I have to fucking, wouldn't be the first time. What do I have to do? Get 4,400 bucks, 4,200 bucks, 3,000 minus 53,000 minus 48,783. Yeah, I did that. Actually, this account that I got paid on right here, or one of the two accounts I got paid on, I hit the daily loss limit and then past it. I got like $4,200+ to pass it and took it to a max payout. If it's the same account, if it's this account, not only did I hit the daily loss limit on the eval and then end up passing it anyway, I hit the daily loss limit fucking twice while I was trading it as a funded account, and I still got a fucking payout. So don't let that shit fucking discourage you when it happens. Shit happens. And then during the overnight with Apex, this fucking account, again, another perfect example. I had this account $690 away from getting a fucking payout, a max payout. And I was up as much as $252. And then if I just fucking would hold, right? I would have fucking hit my take profit and got my fucking 690 bucks, but I didn't. And I let myself get fucking yo-yoed around, got fucking annoyed because I was tired and running on fumes because I stayed up all fucking night, and I blew the account. And then this was just a fucking bullshit eval, whatever. I blew an eval. Whoop-de-fucking do. But I'm annoyed about this because I was up as much as 250 bucks, and then I let myself get shaken out of a good trade, and it went down a bunch more, and then it came back up. I was in a short, and then eventually it hit my take profit. But even if it didn't, I could have gotten a lot more. But whatever, it is what it is. What's another fucking $2,000 that I fucked myself out of? It's crazy. I fucked myself out of $8,000 this month in the last 2 weeks. And it still hasn't stopped me from having my best month ever. That keeps getting better. You know why it keeps getting fucking better? You want to know why it keeps getting fucking better? Because I got this take profit trader account right here, this fucker, and I took it for another 730 bucks. That'll be my 5th fucking day in a row that I'm getting a fucking payout. So whatever. It is what it is. Shit happens. Am I fucking annoyed about the Apex account? Absolutely. I was right fucking there. But I fucking let myself get shaken out, and then I let myself get yo-yoed around. My take profits get hit 80% of the fucking time. It's crazy how often my take profits get hit, and I'm still not in the fucking trade. I'm like out of the trade already, like a fucking asshole. So that's just something I'm working on. Just fucking annoying. It's just fucking annoying. But hey, I'm going to request another fucking 730 bucks. And I did the math before. This one account, after fees, has made me 1,964 bucks, including today. Obviously, I'm not going to trade this account anymore. After I request later on tonight and I get the money in my wallet, I will have made $1,964 in the last 5 trading days from this one fucking take profit trader account, getting paid every single day. Meanwhile, I can't get a fucking 5th day in with Apex and I don't get my money. But hey, that's why take profit trader is the fucking best, because you could get paid every fucking day. Every day. Look at this shit. And today, this one could have been a banger too. I let myself get shaken up. Of course. But hey, I'll take it. Guess what? This is good money, and I get to live to see another day. I get to trade it tomorrow, or later on tonight, or whatever. And what do I got to do? Try and win another fucking trade. Yash, what up? Also gifted. Josh, DeLeon, Steve Funded, Dan Emmons, John Q, V33, Dr. Phil, Bacon, Mr. Begbie, Big Tick Energy, Marvin, No, Hotshot. Sorry, guys. I was just kind of fucking ranting. Michael Escorza, Subi Guy. We're going to teach you some humidity. When you go to Florida, if you live on the East Coast, you're going to learn lessons in humidity every day this time of year. Marvin, Marcine, Gator Trader, Benny Reimer, Sheaf, John Nasuti, Shari, I said what up to Gator Trader. Yo, Jim Blob, Trades by Slade. Yes, sir. Honest Take. FPL. No. Investors. Hey, yo. Yo. Adam. Whose phone number am I showing up there? That's all right. If they get spammed a bunch of times, just don't tell them it was me. All right. So what did I just do? Oh, I didn't show you my Top Step account. See, it's not all fucking bad. I'm taking money today. I blew an Apex account. I blew a fucking Apex account that was right there. But with this fucking payout, I'm over 17 grand for the month. Imagine I didn't fuck myself out of 8 grand worth of payouts. I'd be at 25. But hey, I'm what? I'm almost $5,000 more than my previous best month. Benny, P Shenanigan, J Min, Neil, what up? Uncle Mo, where's Just Ain't Right? Mystic Rick, what up? Miss Goody, my insurance. Did he say insurance or my insolence? Your impotence, your incense. Your insurance rates are too high. Zayback. Where is my cock small? I don't know, bro. TJP, Lee, Micah. Are you ready to get the humidifier going? Micah. Your insurance just ain't right. Lee B. How many lots do I trade on a 50K what? What prop firm? I did this trade in gold, by the way. You know what's funny about this? I almost blew the account. And I was basically at peace with the fact that this was like last night. I was actually at peace with the fact that I was going to blow the account, and I'll be able to say that I got 4 payouts 4 days in a row. I was down to like my last $165 of drawdown in this fucking gold short, and it actually went in my favor, and I was full port. If I would have let it go down just another like 20 fucking ticks, I would have got another like $1,200. John O'Connor, what up? Magic. Oh, what up? Nah, it's his job. What up, Dez? It's his job. He has a master.
I need more credits, more bot credits, master.
He's my biggest fan. What up, Robert Gallis? Jason. Yeah, I leached the NQ. Power hour a lot of times is good. I mean, the price barely moved. We just dropped what, from 386 to fucking 300, and now we're back at 382. That's some fucking serious price action. And I was in long on this account. This was where I got because I was letting myself get fucking shaken out. I already got shaken out of this, and my take profit got hit. But I was fucking letting myself get yo-yoed around, and the last position I was in was a long. And look, it's up fucking 30 points now. Go figure. I got in at 55, and it's up. It went up fucking 30 fucking points. It's probably going to keep going up. Trending World. Do I use OBS? No. I use Streamlabs. I would like to use OBS. I just didn't feel like dealing with learning how to use it. When I first started streaming a little over a year ago, I used OBS for like a week or two, and then it was just killing my other laptop that I had. I would definitely be able to use it on this M1, but I don't know. I just don't. Streamlabs works. It's cheap. Oh, Top Step. If you're talking about a funded account, which I didn't show you. Well, this is a combine I pushed halfway up. Did that last night while I was fucking pissed about blowing my Apex funded account. And then these two, I got my day 2 in. I got days 2 in on both of these. Again, this wasn't a gold long. Man, if I would have just fucking held that, like gold went up. When was I in this trade? I got look again. My take profit got hit. I was in this trade. I got in at the last trade I was in 139, 3213.9. I got out at 3217.3, which I like to just go by the last 3 numbers. So 173. My take profit was at 326. I would have made another $1,500 in both fucking accounts. And then what did gold do? Like at some point, one of these days, I'm just gonna hold gold all fucking day. Because look at gold. It's fucking up from the low 1,000 fucking ticks. And I got out around here. No, down here. Where was it? 232. 173. I got out literally 1,000 ticks ago. Just about, right? Where are we at? No. 800 ticks ago. 800 fucking ticks ago. Imagine I held that shit. 1 mini for 800 ticks would be another 8 fucking grand in both accounts. Crazy. Gold is fucking crazy. And look at the discrepancy. 414 in this one. I don't know why. But overall, it's 640, and this one's at 680 through 2 days. I got 2 days left. You know what? I wasn't able to accomplish like my big day 1 in these accounts, but hey, you know what's cool? I won't say no to the money if all I could do is get another 600 or so bucks, and I'm only requesting fucking 650 per account. I'll take $1,300. I'll take $1,300 to close out the month. Sign me up. What up, Newts? So with Top Step on a funded account, I trade minis for starters. I don't fuck with micros because I fucking hate them. But it's usually 1 or 2 because, you know, in the beginning, the most you could do is trade 2. So I either trade with 1 or I trade with 2. I'll probably, depending on what I think is going to happen, I'll either start with 1 and add, or I'll just go fucking market in with 2. And that's how I trade. Minis. And I copy trade. I got this, the leader and the follower. Look at the fucking NQ go. You want to see something funny? You want to see something else that's funny? Oh, I didn't have it. I think I did. I might have moved it down. Oh, 413. 413 was the take profit on that long I was in. Here we go. Here comes 413. You know it's going to hit. Because my take profits literally get hit all the fucking time. Renee, Fireflame, what's good? Mitch, what's good? I love gold. Gold's fucking paying me. Right here. I'll take it. All right, so let's see. I missed this whole fucking move. Oh, you fucker. What am I doing? There we go. I missed this whole fucking move. Let's see. Let's copy trade these fucking evals. That's not how you do it. Copier. Let's see how this fucking trade copier works. NQ. M5. 1082, 1083, 1084. 1082. 1083, 1084. Check, check. All right. Desyncing enabled. Don't want to desync. I want them to get filled all at the same fucking time. We're at the VWAP. 1082. Let's see if this fucking works. Are we rejecting? No, that's not even the VWAP though. Let's not be real. This is not the fucking VWAP. Another thing that sucks about well charts. It's like fucking Project SlipX. The VWAP isn't the fucking VWAP. This is not the VWAP. Am I in? Am I gonna get filled here? All right. Let's see here. I'm in at 98. I need 15 fucking points. The VWAP. I just hope I get it before. I need 15 points. The VWAP is at the VWAP is 18 points away from where we're at right now. So I think I'm going to get it. We'll see. This line is bullshit. I need to just remove it from the chart because it doesn't work. It's wrong all the time. Hit my Are you fucking serious? Did you see that? Well charts fucking blows. They fucking suck. Look at this. Well charts fucking blows. These accounts are gonna blow now. These accounts are gonna fucking blow now. You guys see that? It's right on my fucking order. Are you fucking serious? What up, Jan? Fran Yu, Christian, Big Tick. The trend is my friend. Yeah, I am not. The trend is never my fucking friend. Tim Morgan, QO Bill, Trusty Tran, WN. It'll get ran when? Before or after I run out of fucking drawdown? Before or after? That's the question. Like, it was right there. What was it, a tick off? Hit my take profit, you fucking piece of shit. Matt O'Rourke, what up? Renee, you know what I like about wealth charts? $85 PA fee. That's what I like about wealth charts. That's about the only thing I like about it. And I do tend to hold my trades longer. There we go, you fucking piece of shit. I do tend to hold my trades longer in wealth charts. I've taken accounts to payouts in wealth charts. D-Walk, what up? Peasant charts. Peasant charts. Well, we just passed 3, so at least I replaced the one I just fucking blew with 3. Yo, Adam, I'm just curious. Oh, look at that. Right? Look, the VWAP. Is that like a play on words with your name? Is your name like, if you don't mind me asking? Because I think it's cool. Is your first name Adam? Pound that confetti. Cody, Steve Funded, what up? Oh my God. So fucking annoyed. Yeah, it is. $85 a month versus $105 a month with Tradeovate. Hey, I'll get some Tradeovate accounts. Fuck it. Let's do it right now. Apex is 80% off until 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Just so you know. Let me change my little fucking ticker. Apex. 80% off Apex ends tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Use the best fucking code ever. ZERODAYJAY. There we go. Fixed. Anyway. So let's see. What's gold doing? What did gold do during that? Look at gold. It just keeps fucking going up. Oh my God. Look at that. The 4-hour chart. I want to see something here. I'm going to draw myself another happy little Fibonacci here. We're in the golden shower pocket from this high to from this low. The 618 is right around here. Interesting. Which is what? 33.25. Are we going to reject off the VWAP? What a fucking move. Oh, and shocker, my take profit did get hit. 413.50. What a fucking surprise from this long that I was in here on this fucking My Fund the Futures eval. Would have had a past eval if it didn't fucking dump on me first. But if I would have just stayed in the short, I would have had a past eval. So fuck me for fucking letting myself get fucking yo-yoed around. MCC in the place to be. What up? Yeah, I knew it, bro. Adam, I think it's fucking cool, man. It's a cool fucking play on your name. Renee, what up? Isaac, what up, yo? I hope so. I'll get more. 90% off for Memorial Day would be amazing. Yeah, I don't know what they're gonna do there. It's weird. Like they'll fucking they'll do like a deal on the bigger size accounts, but sometimes the deal is better depending on how they're feeling at the moment with their promotion. You know, Tyler, what up? Do I think gold is gonna dump? I don't know. I mean, in terms of trading it, I'm not sure. It looks fucking great to the upside. I just don't know how far up it's gonna go. It tried to retest the high, the all-time high here, and rejected. And it fucking dumped, but now it fucking bounced off of support down here. But, you know, if I go to the daily, I just see gold. I see gold at $4,000 an ounce. That's what I see gold as. Minimum in the near future. I just see gold at $4,000 an ounce. So, I could see this shit going up. I just don't know how long it's going to take. Nice job, CyberPie. Oh, yeah, by the way, with my Take Profit Trader, I did flip this other account. So this is day 4 on this account. So tomorrow will be day 5. And then Thursday, I'll have another Take Profit Trader funded account. Maybe on Thursday, I'll still have this one. We'll see. Well, let's see how long I can keep this fucking streak going. I got 5 days in. 5 days of taking a payout every fucking day, including a day 1. Do I got 5? I wish, bro. I got 1, 2. 1, well, 2. It'll be 2. I have not yet got to the point where I could have 5 all at the same time. Still something I'm working on. But hey, I'll have 3 Apex funded accounts at the same time. Let's go for 2 more. Sim1, what up? John. Are you talking about gold, Tyler? Are you talking about gold? It looks fucking on the weekly. It looks amazing. Look at all these Fibonacci's. But let's look here. The low, the high. Look where we bounced. Look at this. This is the weekly chart. Look at this shit. Look at that clean bounce off the 707, which was also like this area of support on the weekly. I bet on the daily there's even more. I know there's more. You had like this right here. This and this was enough. 707 bounce. We're up from there. We're up fucking 170 points, which is 1,700 ticks. The golden shower pocket. That's right, P. Pine Tree, what up? Filling gaps. I've been filling the same gap since fucking the end of 2003. Oh! Tony Gold. Rushi, what up? Yeah, I've done that a couple of times. I don't know if you keep getting points for take. I think it's only on your first payout. Let me look. I'm pretty sure it's only on your first payout. Let me see how many points I have because I've literally taken 5 just in the last 5 days. For withdrawal. Points will be applied only once when your withdrawal amount reaches 1,000. This means that the first time you reach the $1,000 withdrawal milestone, your points will be credited to your account. You only get that one time. You don't keep getting 500 points when you take payouts. It's only one time. You do get points when you pass. You get 250 points every time you pass a test. Oh, points for passing the test are awarded only once for the first successfully passed test. You only get these points one time. And then after that, it's just, after spending money. So you get 750 points one time for passing a test and getting up to $1,000 in payouts in withdrawals. Oh, that would have been enough. 16. That would have been enough. Are we going to drop? We dropping here? Lesson in humidity. Whenever. What up? B33. What up, Just Ain't Right? Mwah! Fran, you. Yeah, it has to be 1K payout and one withdrawal. I think I got that already. I think I did. I did that once. Yeah, Just Ain't Right. I'm back. QO filling gaps. I've been filling gaps, longer than 2003, obviously. We bouncing here? I don't know. We're going to drop? I don't know what to do here. I know I'm going to go full port, though. I can tell you that much. Oh, there's 15 points. Fuck. What's the 5-minute looking like? Okay. Oh, you didn't film me, you fucking piece of shit. Ooh. I want to go short. Maybe I should wait. Maybe I should wait. Oh, yeah, of course, Bill, of course. What's more delicious, a Reese's Cup? What kind of Reese's Cup? Tyler, yeah, I've been filling the gaps since fucking 96, bro. Fuck. Does this one? I think it wants to drop, but I don't know. I'm gonna wait. Miss Goody. If it's one of the holiday cups, like the pumpkins or the eggs, all fucking day. Those are the best. Those are the regular size ones. The ones you could get in like a 2-pack. Or they come in like they come in like 6-packs. Those are the fucking best. The seasonal ones. The problem is by the time they make it out here, there's like oxidation on the chocolate. So they're never fucking good. When on the East Coast, fucking amazing. See, that was enough, right? Look at the 34. We bounce off not only the 34 here, the 5-minute 21 also. We're up 25 points. Which way are we going to go? How many times did I try to get filled? Well, whatever. 14 seconds left. Why do I keep getting... What? I'm in the wrong fucking account. That's why I keep getting rejected. That explains it. What? Jesus Christ. I'm fucking exhausted. I'm literally running on fumes. God damn it. Well, whatever. I saved myself from blowing these accounts. Don Burberry, what up? KNLV. Jim Blob. Coach Keith. ZB. Coach Keith, ZB. Kasalisk, what up? Yo, those recent, I think those are the fast breaks. Beep bloop, I think those are the fast breaks. We going down or we going to keep going up? Damn. That was a 34-point candle. Not bad. Yeah, ZB, it's $35 round trip per contract. So if you need to lose like 300, more than 35 bucks, like if it's multiples of 35, just go with multiple contracts to just get it done quicker. Back to the VWAP. What's gold doing? Just curious. Oh, it just keeps going up. It almost hit 3,300. Damn. Rejected off at 3,300. Vince. Yeah, AM pre-market was fucking brutal, bro. Jacob Hodge, what's good? I need a fucking coffee. I need more coffee. I need more fucking coffee, Mr. Begbeef. Yeah, you got it. You always have to maintain the 30% consistency rule. PSC Westy, be good. You do the same. What are we doing here? Vince. That kind of day, just fucking price action, like nothing was happening. All of a sudden, the shit started going a little buck. It was just fucking annoying. I was so annoyed. What's up, Coach Singh? How do you add the countdown timer where it says NQM5? How did I do that? Right here. View settings. Bar countdown settings. Enabled. You got that? You got to do it every time. You can't just do it like, notice how I don't have it on gold? Because I never fucking enabled it. I probably should enable it on gold. You got to do it for every symbol. Any fucking symbol that you have on here, you got to do it one at a time. Individually. Franny. Oh, Vince. Yeah, bro. Yep. I got hit with the DLL also. But you still have the account. Beg Beef is wild. Con Media Solutions. Yeah. Yo, it's so funny. And I'm not picking on you. Every fucking day, someone will come in here and say this price action was terrible. And I fucking agree with you. Because every day it's fucking brutal. We just got to fucking carve out our little fucking move, you know, or our series of moves or whatever. How often, I don't know how much you trade, but there's opportunities every day. Mulberry, what up? No, you don't. It's not day one. It's day one after you get the funded account. Look at fucking 54. 54-minute candle. Look at that shit. After you get your funded account with Take Profit Trader, you could get paid on day one. Gentry. Yeah, isn't that fucking annoying? Lord Woodslinger. It's going good. I made some fucking stupid mistakes, but I'm getting fucking paid again with Take Profit Trader, so I'm okay. I'll be okay. All right, how much time is left in this fucking candle? Is this going to keep going up? Where are we at? We still haven't really gone anywhere. I'm going to get played. It's going to fucking bounce. Oh. Give me 15 fucking points. I don't think I'm going to get it. It's going to go up. Maybe not. Get the fuck down there. It was 15 points from here. I don't know. It might bounce. We'll see. At least I passed 3, so I'm 3 for 5. I'll be 3 for 5 bare minimum. But fuck. I would love to get these too. Nope. It's going up. What the fuck kind of fill is this? Why is this shit different? What the fuck? Yo, I'm tired of these fucking uneven fucking fills with these copy traders. Fuck! Tyler, how can I be bearish? It's called guessing my way in and guessing my way out. We could have easily came back and retested the VWAP. It's okay, bro. I do whatever the fuck I want, dog. It pulled back, what, 20 points here? 41 to fucking 20. It pulled back 21 fucking points. I just got in at the wrong fucking spot. All I needed was 15 and a quarter. Would I consider 300K accounts? No, I fucking hate them. Maybe if you would get, maybe if you could get the max payout under the old format, you have to grow that account to get a max payout like $10,700. Yeah, Crankberry, tell him. Zach, what up? Tell him. It's called ZFG Concepts, EAD Concepts. I don't give a fuck. I passed 3. I went 3 for 5. I used to love the 250 before they changed the fucking payout format. The 250s were good. The 150s were good too. The 150s are about as high as I would go, but I'm good at getting paid on the 50K. So why would I deviate from what works? Tyler did 70K. Did he really? That's fucking awesome. But I don't need the fucking lectures. I can tell you that much. If Tyler really did 70K, that's awesome, bro. You're clearly a better trader than me. I would say most people in here are better traders than me. But it's not stopping me from having my best month by $5,000. I'm 5,000 better than my best month. So I'm still learning. I'm still taking another payout here 5 days in a row. There's levels to this shit, clearly. Yeah, good for him. Good for him. I'm happy for him. Obviously, some people are better than others. I'm not that good. I can't worry about how good Tyler's doing. I'm happy for him. But I'm not Tyler. And I'm not going to compare myself to anybody other than myself. Oh, I know, Tyler. I know, bro. You were asking me a genuine question. I gave you a genuine answer, right? It's called I took a shot and it didn't work out. Actually, I'm over 17 now. But who's counting? You have until like 4:09. I'm not that good. I'm getting better every day, but I'm not that good. There's guys that fucking run. I guarantee you, there's probably like 250 to 300 people on right now. I would say like more than half of you run circles around me. Mikey, my risk manager. Where were you before? Yeah, Tyler, I know, bro. Sometimes I just fucking shoot myself in the foot. Like I literally fucked myself. Forget about these fucking evals that I blew. Like who gives a fuck? These are just evals. But I literally I blew another fucking Apex PA that was right there. Right fucking there for a max payout. And I blew the other 3 that I got paid on that I was about to get another payout. That's $8,000 in payouts this month. It seems like every fucking month this year, I fuck myself out of fucking $6,000 to $10,000 in payouts. Just think about how much further along I'd be if I didn't fuck myself out of half of them. Out of half of it. Michelle. Magic. No, I don't have 20 on Apex right now. I had 20 and I blew all of them. And then I got some more and I got paid on 5 of them. Although I'm still waiting on $2,000 for some reason. I don't know fucking why. I'm about to submit another ticket and be like, yo, you forgot one. I got $8,000 of the $10,000 I got approved for. And I'm pretty sure it's the same one that I waited fucking almost 2 weeks to get approved for. Bacon, Apex Trades, what up? Yeah, bro, just keep trading that fucker. Gotta teach them a lesson in humidity. Humidity, guys. I can't believe I blew that fucking account today, though, the PA. I'm fucking annoyed about that. But guess what? Tomorrow, or after I get paid, right? I'm gonna request $730. When the money gets here it is. This is what I wanted, Tyler. Look, of course. Where's my take profit? 409. Let's see. Let's see if it hits it. Coming back down. I'm sure it's going to fucking go to 409. Just give it time. All I know is I could take this to a fucking payout again tomorrow. I don't care if it's $500, $400. This will be what after fees? 730 times 0.8, $584. I'll take that every fucking day. Sign me up. While I'm growing other accounts to get them to their days, to get my days in other accounts, 8 days with Apex, 5 days with Top Step, 5 days minimum with my funded futures. While I'm doing that, why not get fucking paid every day from Take Profit Trader? Why not? Seems like a no-brainer to me. Like I said, I'm going to see how long I can take that fucking thing. How far I can take that for. How many days can I do it? Today's day 5. That's the most I've ever gone getting daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. Za, what up? Michael Theodore. My edge, you know what's interesting about that, bro? There are people that are far superior traders than me and see the charts better, but for some reason they just fucking they can't seem to fucking get the job done with prop firms. There's something, the added psychological fucking bullshit that you got to deal with prop firms is just too much for some people. I don't know what it is, because there's people on here that are better traders than me. They see the chart better. A lot of times they'll wonder, why the fuck did you do what you just did? Kind of like Tyler, who's a much better trader, but he's actually getting paid, right? But they've never gotten a payout. It's weird. You know, and I'm not picking on anybody. It's just weird. I don't know why. This looks like kind of like a Head and Shoulders here. Yeah, Josh, I mean, what up, Dominican trader? I don't think so. I think it's payout to payout. I think it still sets in place. Did you get paid? Did you get denied for a 30% consistency violation? You got to build the account up. What up, War? Trump's talking right now. Oh, there it is. 40-fucking-9. 40-fucking-925. There it is. How many fucking times does my take profit get hit? It's amazing. John, yeah, for real. Apex only pays their influencers. Yeah, Michael Theodore, it's really, bro, it's just, you just got to get the reps in. It's a game. The whole thing about prop firms versus just regular trading, it's a fucking game. And like all the studying you're doing, you got to put that shit in action and only see, there's only certain things you're going to see. You're not going to see every setup that is in existence. There's ones that you're going to recognize better than others, or there's ones you're going to recognize and there's ones you're never going to be able to pick up. So the ones that you do recognize, just only trade that shit. And that's a good place to start. Eminem. Well, I try to get to max payout land on 5 days of $100 or more minimum. You know, I take it to I go for max payout land basically everywhere I trade. Random. Yeah, it happens, bro. It happens in this environment. Yeah, I blew accounts today too. One of my funded accounts only had like $95 in drawdown. Like it was a fucking goner from the jump. But you know, I blew a funded account that was literally right there in payout land. Yeah, Josh blew an account. He's also requesting a payout. That's just part of the process. Not everyone's going to be like Tyler, right? Tyler's a fucking stud. I'm not Tyler. He's obviously sees something really good in the charts, and he's very patient, and he has more discipline and more emotional fucking stability than I do. But I don't care. I'm getting paid again. That's all I care about. I can't worry. We can't, like, we look to guys like Tyler and like some of you guys look to me for inspiration and shit. But there's a ton of people in here getting paid, and everybody's at different levels. We're all on a journey. You can't compare yourself to anybody. Just promise yourself you won't do that. You don't have to promise me, because that's when you're going to get into trouble. You can't worry about what I'm doing. Let me serve as maybe inspiration. Like, this fucking guy barely knows what the fuck he's doing, and somehow he's over 17,000 in payouts this month. At least he appears to not know what the fuck he's doing. Or he trades completely different than me. He's totally fucking reckless. He takes fucking big time risks and gambles. Yet, you know what I mean? So just take everything with a grain of salt. There's levels to this shit. And I guarantee you, like Tyler's doing what he's doing, and there's always somebody better than us. There's always going to be someone better than you. All of us. All you got to worry about is being better, the better version of yourself every day. Yeah. Someone, he had his breakthrough. Yeah, exactly, Tyler. Yeah. You went through your fucking journey, bro. And now you came out the other end. You didn't give up on yourself, and now look what's happening. That could happen for all of us. I'm sure at some point there will be a day when I'll be taking fucking max payouts on 20 Apex accounts. It just hasn't happened yet. That's all. Just be better than Nutty, Subi guy said. And Nutty's fucking crushing it, though. He gets fucking hella payouts. He's gotten more payouts than me this year. He's more profitable than me this year. I can tell you that much. It took you 6 years, but wasn't it worth it? Tyler, what's up, Donna? Stock cars and bets. Should have went on vacation. Oh, man, I know the feeling. Crankberry only looks up to Mo. Zah, yeah. Look, we're all on a different level. We're all on our journey. Yeah, now you say that, right, Tyler? Because you're fucking crushing it. MB, yeah, I fucking literally, bro. Literally. Yeah. There's just, look, everybody sees the charts differently. Everybody's going to fucking have their aha moment at a different time. Just fucking hold out. Make sure you just do yourself a favor and hold out for that aha moment, because it will fucking be a game changer for you. MAE drawdown. Yeah, that's the fucking 30% drawdown rule. You went down more than 30% of your drawdown in one single trade. I'm probably more than top 5%, bro, Tyler. I'm probably in like the top 2 or 3%. But compared to what? Like, dude, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's great, but like, I don't know. It's a good start. My goal is to do this consistently every month. I had 2 5-figure months in a row in December and January. And then February, I literally shit the bed so hard, I only did 1850. And then in March, I did not a little over what I did. In March, I did like not a little over 9,000, almost 9,100. April, I did 6,200, 6,242. But this month, I'm fucking crushing it. All of those months, February, March, and April, could have all been fucking 5-figure months. They could have been just like this month if I didn't just fuck myself out of payouts. What up, King? Any suggestions from getting out of a 350 drawdown left? Probably don't trade this shit. Don't trade this. I can tell you that much. I wouldn't waste your time trading this shit if that's all you have left. And you give a fuck about the account. MOBA Ben. How strict is Apex with the 5-to-1 rule? Probably about as strict as they are with the 30% drawdown rule. February was hard for a lot of fucking people. Yeah, exactly. Adam, yeah. It's us versus them. It's us versus them. Like, and I don't even want to pit myself against the prop firms. Like, we're all, you know, they want us to win, but not all of us. Right? Yeah, the candles in February were absolutely fucking insane. Roni, Bobo trades. The activation fee, the lifetime activation fee is $130 with Apex. The monthly activation, the monthly fee for PAs on Apex is, I think, 85 in Rhythmic, which I'm not 100% sure because I don't trade with Rhythmic. Look at this shit. My fucking take profit, man. Amazing. In these 409.25. I was fucking right. Just at the wrong time. But I did pass 3. I passed in wealth charts, so I'll have these 3 in wealth charts. $85 a month in wealth charts, $105 a month in Tradeovate. Yup, John, thank you. Thank you. Ariel, what up? Yeah, dude. Well, Bobo, I mean, I know you want to say F monthly, but how long do you hold on to accounts for? Can you hold on to an Apex funded account, or what's the average time that you hold on to a funded Apex account for? Is it more than 30 days? If not, don't say fuck the monthlies. Because it's cheaper, especially if you're not going to hold on to it for 30 days. If you still have that shit 30 days in, I'm sure you've got a payout by then. I don't go. The only way I go with the lifetime activation fee is if it's less than the monthly. Because in my history, I have a propensity to not hold on to accounts for more than a month. I don't even get close to 30 days. So why would I pay, in wealth charts case, right? Why would I pay $45 more for an account I'm going to blow in less than 30 days? Same thing with with Tradeovate. Why would I pay $20 more? $25 more? It just makes sense to go with the cheaper route depending on where you're at in your trading fucking journey. Yeah, you got to really take inventory of yourself. I know myself. Is it something I'm working on getting better? Yeah. I could see myself in the future holding on to these accounts for 5 and 6 payouts. That's one of my big, hairy, audacious goals for the year, is to be able to take these Apex accounts beyond that fucking 5th payout, the same account, so I could get like the fucking max big daddy fucking payout. I could see myself doing that. I already seen it. It's going to happen. But in the meantime, and if I'm, even with that said, I'm still going to pay monthly. So what if I pay 5 months? So let's say I have an account for 3 months or 4 months and I paid 85 times 4. If I have an Apex funded account for 4 fucking months, how much money in payouts do you think I would have taken by then? Who gives a fuck? Who cares about the monthly payout, the monthly payment? Get a payout. It doesn't matter. It's covered. Coach Fred, 3 payouts approved after 4 denials in a row. Congratulations, bro. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Pine Tree. Shit, Fred. Super fucking happy for you, man. It's all about the ROI. It's a numbers game. Some people play it better than others, you know? My reason for wanting to hold on to accounts for more than 30 days or more than one fucking payout is to fucking not be fucking just constantly going through this vicious cycle of blowing accounts and paying for more evals, paying for more activation fees. Even though, yeah, sure, I'm very profitable this month. Like, I wasn't profitable in February, I can tell you that much, you know? So that's why I want to, if you could hold on to the accounts for more than one fucking payout, you drastically reduce your cost of fucking doing business. Yeah, Apex trades just don't lose more than 30% of the draw of if you're under the buffer, don't lose more than 30% of 2,500 in any trade that day. If you're over the buffer, don't lose more than 30% of whatever you start the day at. That's pretty much how it works. So set your drawdown. I mean, set your stop. I don't know where you set your stops, but just set your stop before that happens. You know? Uncle Mo. When am I getting a 90% code, Casalisk? Probably never, bro. Never. I heard that they're not doing that for anybody anymore. from a very reliable source, aka my rep. But we'll see. We'll see when fucking PW gets it. Then I'll be like, yo, hook me up. But I don't think I'm ever going to get it. Apex Trades. Of course, yeah, because I fucking been dealing with it, bro. It's easy now for me. It's easy. It's easier. I also don't fucking lose any sleep over it. If I fucking violate that shit, whatever. Roni. Yeah. They're not that bad. I got, more than half of the money I got this month was from Apex. I'm not mad at them. Yeah. Yeah. Rips, did he call you a wage cuck, Fred, in the process? Did he say, hey, listen, you fucking wage cuck, like he did to Ceres? Don Burberry. Vito, what up? Where's Vito at? There he is. Yeah. What a way to fucking alienate 98% or 99% of your fucking viewers who are using your fucking code. Man. Where's Trevor? I don't know. He was here earlier in my early morning stream. He was around. K San Battlefield, what up? Do they pay you commissions? Who, Apex? On evals. Pine Tree. I need spinners on the Lex. I need chrome caps on my. I need chrome wheel caps, yo. Chrome. The fucking the valve stem caps. Come on, baby. Prop firm's court, young lady. As legit as his hair. Like, I got nothing against him. That's just a fucked up thing to say to people. I can tell you that much. Hey, let me ask you guys. What up, Arnie? Does anybody know? Has anybody heard anything about about day traders? Is there anything sketchy going on with them aside from the fact that I feel like he's counting on that Apex fucking lawsuit to fucking work in his favor? I don't know. I just heard that there's some rumblings going on in their Discord, and I want to know if anybody knows about it. So I know about day traders. I know about them. I know who they are, but I just been hearing that some shit's going on. I just don't know. I just want to know if anybody knows because I'm just curious because I can't help myself. I don't know what the rumor is. Kellyanne alluded to something in the Discord, but she's not allowed to talk. She has a gag reflex. I mean, a gag order. She's not allowed to talk about that shit because of the case and how Apex fucking dragged her into that shit and how Leo threw her under the fucking bus. And that's why Apex dragged her in. So she's not allowed to talk about it, but she had alluded to something, how fucking that jerk off Sage was fucking in there fucking, stirring up shit. The guy who helped fucking Scott orchestrate the biggest fucking rug pull in prop firm history. Cody, D-Walk. Oh, it was this fucking Freudian slip. She's got grandkids, guys. Stop it. Stop it. Well, yeah, Leo fucking played her. Leo played her. He used her to get this huge fucking marketing campaign, which was basically a smear campaign on Apex and a promotion of fucking day traders all at the same time. It was brilliant of Leo, but she got fucked. He fucked her hard. Well, Sage is a fucking jerk off. We all know that, but I'm just curious. Rhythmic and Project X, which one is better for copy trading 10 accounts? Ask somebody in the chat. I don't trade with Rhythmic. A lot of people use Rhythmic. I just know that Rhythmic fucks up a lot. I don't know if I would trade Project X with 10 accounts. Big Tick Energy. He just goes where the money is, bro. Or maybe they had a talk with, maybe Apex had a talk with him too, saying, what the fuck you doing, bro? You know? Legends trading good? I don't know, Yash. JP, what's good? If it was not great, yeah, I know how to manage. I've had so many not great days. I know how to fucking deal with it now. I'm so fucking desensitized to the fucking shitty days. But I am taking another payout with Take Profit Trader. So that's cool. My day is amazing. Yeah, Apex, don't sleep on Apex. They have deep fucking pockets. Yeah, they're random. The VWAP on Project X is fucking dog shit. The only way you could get it accurate is if you like zoomed way the fuck out, or maybe on a bigger time frame. I don't even use it on there. TradeEvade is right on, spot on with TradingView. Do I have a promo code for Top Step? I wish, but I do not. I got to try out Thrive. I'm not trying out Thrive yet. Nothing against fucking Joom. I love Ceres. Ceres is a homie. I don't fuck with new prop firms. Let's see where they're at. Let's see where they're at in a year from now. What was my drawdown for the Take Profit Trader? 2,000. I always see I'm over the buffer. So the buffer on the 50K is 2,000. Damn, this shit's kind of creeping back up. 30 points. Casual 30-point move. I always withdraw it down to my buffer. I take the I don't care what prop firm it is, what account it is. I'm taking as much as I'm allowed to take every time I'm allowed to take it. That's just how I operate. So I'm requesting $730. I'll be down to 2,000, which is right at the buffer. All I got to do is get back over the buffer and I can request again. By the way, Take Profit Trader is still 30% off with no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. Andy L, what up? 30% off, no activation fee when you use the best fucking code ZERODAYJay. Apex is 80% off until the end of today. Will they extend it? I'm not sure. Are they habitual sale? Bacon, what up? Yeah, you can still trade Take Profit Trader. Absolutely, you can. You could trade until 459. You can't trade Top Step in My Funded Futures. You could trade Take Profit Trader. Nah. 80% off Apex until 11:59 p.m. Eastern tonight. They might extend it. They're habitual sale extenders, but I don't know. They might let everything breathe until Memorial Day, and then they might do something cool for Memorial Day, but I'm not waiting until Memorial Day. I'm going to get more accounts. Trader Goated, what up? I don't know. Everybody keeps saying that they usually do every year for Memorial Day, but that doesn't mean they will this year. And 80% off is a really good deal. So, I grabbed some accounts. I passed 3 of 5. Investors, what up? Who won the case? Andy L, I think you just have to, I don't really know. At the probation with Apex, I'm not really sure how that works. It's you can still get payouts. You just have to, there's different parameters you have to abide by or some shit. I don't really know how it works. I would hit up support to get a breakdown of how you need to do it. You can still take payouts when you're on probation, from what I understand. Josh. Steve Funded, you're with Thrive? Are you with Thrive? I'm just curious. What up, Cube? Dominican. That's their business model, bro. They're doing just fine. That's their business model. The discount prop firm house. They just paid out almost $5 million to 2 traders. They had enough money to pay Tyler after that. How much? Where's Tyler at? You still here, Tyler? How much did Tyler get, Josh? I forgot what he said he was up to. K-Sun, what up? Yeah, I passed 3 Apex evals today. 80K in 2 weeks. They paid out like $5 million to 2 fucking traders, just under $5 million, what, a month ago? They still had money left over to pay Tyler. Your accounts are at 500K? Dude. Yo, are you the dude? I think I fucking heard about what you were doing. Were you the one that had an account? You had accounts up fucking high as fuck, and then you gave back a bunch. Are you the one? Is that you? Because I know somebody. I think it was you. You were up a bunch, and then you gave a bunch back, but then you got it back. Oh, that wasn't you. Oh, who the fuck was that? That was someone else. Someone else who's gonna get a big fucking fat payout. Some other degen. Yeah, Tyler. So like, dude, you're going for fucking. You're gonna try to go. You're going for like a fucking Jade Cap type of payout, right? Oh, felony. Why would you call yourself fucking felony? It's a felony to call yourself felony. Donnie, but that's cool. Where's Jamila? Andy, what up? Yeah, dude. Yo, just be prepared to never ever trade with them again. If you know what I'm saying? Just know that there's a very big possibility, Tyler. Yeah, I get it. I wouldn't care either. I talk about that all the time when people say, "Oh, well, now they're banned." Give me fucking $1 million. Give me 2 million. Give me $500,000 and then kick me off. Fine. If that's what you want to do. And I would still promote them because I could say they paid me $500,000 fucking dollars. Yep. Sign me up. Sign me the fuck up. Oh, Subi guy, of course. Well, you know me, bro. See, like, Tyler can only take what? I don't know how many. So you got 2 payouts so far? You could only take out 2,000 per account for like another 3 payouts anyway. Haha, you've been banned by 25 forums. Exactly. So you know the deal, bro. So this is like light work for you. Like he said he's 6 years into this shit. Yeah, every 8 days. Yeah, Carlos, for real, bro. And I would still fucking tell people to use the best code ZERODAYJAY to grab your Apex accounts. Without a doubt. Not even a fucking question. 80% off until the end of the day. Bulenox is 91% off for 50K. Option ones are bigger. I have some bulenox that are about to rebuild at 91% off, so I'm just waiting on those. These are all the deals that I know about with prop firms that I trade with. My Funded Futures, if you've never had an account with them before, you could get 50% off any type of account, any size. If you have an account with them, if you buy an EV, that's until the end of the month. This week only, if you buy an eval this week as an existing user, you will get a free reset with it. And then anything that's not on sale, like resets, 5% off when you use the best fucking code ZERODAYJ. What else is going on? Trade days, 40% off. Not sexy because they can only let you have one account. But they're good. I like them. They paid. Vito's still waiting. Maybe he'll give you one of his fucking 10-year-old fucking Ferraris. Yeah, D-Walk. After you pass the eval, you got to do it over again and then get over the buffer. 2,600 will get you guaranteed $500. To get the max payout of 2,000, you need to get to 4,100 on a 50K. What code will give you the best pass rate? ZERODAYJAY. It's and you already know that, right? It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. I don't have any actual data to confirm that, but the DGen data in the chat, on the stream, in the Discord where the DCA gang hangs out, tells me this is the case. Zero fucking day J. Snahil, what up? Bowser. After 90K, My Fund the Future drops you. After getting 90K in payouts, I'd take a Toyota Corolla. Yo, Corollas fucking, they're expensive. The highest pass rate, the highest payout rate. Jim Blob. Yeah, they fought. Yeah, I just crossed over 10,000 in payouts with them. So now I'm getting now the next, like I went over by $700. They took 10% out of the 700. So instead of getting 1,200, I got 1,129 or whatever, which is fine. At least I could say I got to the point where now they're actually taking a profit share from me, or just taking 10% off. It is. I mean, look at Take Profit Trader. They take 20% of sim funded money, but I'll pay 20% knowing I could get paid every day. I'm okay with it. If I could get this account to live status, if I could get this to Pro Plus, I'll be getting, they'll only take 10%. I don't get a special deal, Jake. It's everybody. I only joke around and say that my code is the best and it's the most exclusive. I get the biggest, the largest discounts. It's just me fucking around. Everybody, every affiliate has the same deal. But my code is the best code. Period. End of story. Can I share my trade entry on the Take Profit Trader account? Do you really want to see this fucking shit? It wasn't great. I got lucky. It was a lucky guess. Where was it? $205. Why can't I find this shit? Yo. I can't find it. It was somewhere over here. That's so weird. I'm looking for it. It says right here, 204. I feel like I would have gotten it already. I can't find it, but I can show you. I got lucky. I literally was down. I was down to my last 165 bucks. I was down 1350 in realized losses after getting stopped out. I thought gold was gonna. Let's see. I thought, where was it? Here? I thought gold was going to like reject off the top orb after it popped. And it just kept going. And it was fucking retesting the fucking high. It retested the Asia high. And I was literally 165 bucks away from blowing it in this trade. And I went from fucking 2 to 4 to 6. And then I got all this, got out of the trade. This was the trade right here, I think. Yeah. And then 2, 4, 5, 6, it dumped. And then I got another 160 bucks. I got back in. I was like, you know what? I'm good. And then I stopped. I don't know why it's not showing it on the chart. Did I change something on my settings? Fills and orders, show order lines, show fills, show trail. I mean, I don't know why it's not showing it. The fuck? Oh, probably because I'm looking at the wrong fucking time. I don't know. Dude, what time was that? Maybe it was here. I don't know why I can't find it. Whatever. Jay Stores. Empire Steve, what up? Oh, Lisa, what's good? I'm looking at 519. Is that what I'm looking at? Is that the problem? That is the fucking problem. Yo, fucking Bill, bro. I went too far. Thank you, bro. There it is. Hey, we found it. Bill for the win. There it is. So look, I went short here, added a couple. It just kept going up. And then I got in short again over here. And I was like, dude, if this would have popped up just a little bit more, I would have lost the account. And then it fucking finally dumped. Right here. And then I took a little more. It actually dumped another. I got out at what? 352. And it went down another fucking 20 ticks. Even if I got another 10 ticks, it would have been another 600 bucks per account. Because I was full ported with gold in minis. And then I got a little bit here. There they are. Thank you, Bill. Bilbo Dragons. Tyler, where part of Long Island are you from again, bro? Slick Rick, the ruler. Yeah, I don't like I don't know. It shows. I like this. I like the lines. That other shit, I don't like seeing that shit on the chart. T. Cooper, Merrick, fucking crazy, bro. Crazy. Valley Stream right here. T. Cooper's from Montauk. Peter Schapp is from fucking. Peter Schapp is from. Where's Peter Schapp from? I think Seaford. Some shit like that. Did I only trade gold today? No, I traded the NQ as well, Zelda Palm. Wish I didn't, because the NQ fucking fucked me. I fucked myself trading the NQ. Jackson Heights. We got a lot of people from Queens too in the boroughs. This is the first time you found my. Oh, yeah, Tyler. Yeah, it doesn't take long. I've been out of Long Island for 5 years, a little over 5 years now, 5.5 years. My accent hasn't fucking gone away at all. Yeah, gold was fucking amazing. Gold gets crazy though sometimes. Gold is crazy. I mean, look at gold though. Jesus. Like, Fucking nuts. Anyone here from OC, California? Alfred. Alfred. Yeah, gold could be aggressive. Like my wife. You're in West Babylon. Yeah. Yeah, I grew up in Valley Stream, so like all of my parents, and all of my boys' parents, everyone I grew up with in Valley Stream, all of our parents were from Brooklyn and Queens. They all moved from out of Queens and Brooklyn to come to Valley Stream. That was like the first town everybody migrated to. And then since then it's just they keep going further and further out. Yeah, New York is fucking mad money. Oh man, Donnie's in North Babylon right now. I was in Holtzville for the last 10 years I lived on Long Island. I was in Holtzville. Right off of like Waverly and Country Greens. Escape from New York. The guy said people never leave. Brian Stonk lives in your area. You need to take him out to get laid, bro. Rose from Washington Heights. It's fucking crazy. Suffolk County is different. The further out, yeah, it is different. I liked it out there, though. Hit him up. Yo, K-San. You're in Chino. Fucking funny. Dude, Tyler, I lived in Shirley. After I met my wife, when we were dating, we were renting a house in Shirley. We had our first 3 kids in that house in Shirley. And then we had a house built in Holtzville. And then we lived there for like 10 years. And then we sold it and came here. Yeah, Montauk's like its own fucking place. Oh, Empire Steve Dam, yeah. Maybe Tyler's got to take him out. V33 is being taught a lesson in humidity. Yeah, most people never leave. They feel, yeah, it's true. Yeah, I got the fuck out, bro. I wish I would have gotten out. I wish I would have left New York after my house went up another $350,000, $400,000 in value. That would have been pretty fucking cool. Leonard, what up? Yeah, bro. Good shit, man. Fuck yeah, Leonard. You know, I never told you guys what the best code was for Take Proper Trader. I never typed it. Yeah, I know. I didn't know that they were going to fucking roll out a fucking pandemic on us. And everybody was going to want to get the fuck out of the major city areas, the major fucking densely populated areas like New York City. Best code ZERODAYJAY for Take Proper Trader, 30% off, no activation fee. Apex, 80% off until 11:59 p.m. Eastern. 91% off bulenox. 50% off new users for My Funded Futures. Existing users get free resets on evals this week. And 40% off trade day. The best fucking code. Yo, Leonard, if I had a fucking dollar for every time someone says that when they come on the stream, it's every day, bro. It's always going to be fucking shitty. It's always going to be like this. It's not you. It's like so many people come on. Yeah, it's fucking crazy how bad it is, man. But it's just, that's the NQ. That's the NQ. Gold seemed to be fucking better, although it kind of went sideways for a little bit. But look, here's gold on the hourly. Just kept going up. From this low, it went up it went up 900 ticks from this low, from the low a day. From the Asia low, 900 ticks. Yeah. Yeah, there's no big major fucking news going on. So we just were ranging all day on the NQ. What did Fredo do? You just got your. Oh, Alfred. Fuck yeah. Does that mean you could take a payout on that shit? Vince. Maximus is loving natural gas. Loving it. Hey, man, I'm glad you found a fucking sweet spot. Seems to be working for you. Just keep trading that shit, right? Gold longs all day. Yeah, bro. Fuck yeah, Alfred. Asia, yeah. Dude. I think Asia's going to be, I think London's going to be better, though, very soon. You got CPI at 2 o'clock in the morning. CPI is at 2 o'clock in the morning. These fucking UK red folder events tend to move the market. I don't know how much, but it will do something. Wow, we rejected. Look at that. Let me look at it on Top Step. Watch this. Look at that. Right off the top of the golden shower pocket, the 786. It's amazing. It's fucking amazing. Let's see here. Seven eights. Look at this. We bounced off the 786 from this low. Crazy. Hey. Amazing. Leonard, I can't do payout request parties with Take Profit Trader because it shows like login info. So unfortunately, I got to take a screenshot. But I am requesting another payout for the 5th day in a row. Yeah, Bowser. Shit just kept going up. Fuck yeah, Alfred. I think I'm gonna have a new fucking trade day account soon. I got the. Let me check. Let me check real quick. I'm so fucking tired. I gotta go hitting later too. I'm gonna pass the fuck out later. I know I had a fucking 50K that was due for a rebill soon. I just don't know if it hit yet. I just leave the shit active because if I pass it, I'll pay the activation fee and maybe take it to a payout. Oh, I have one. It came through. Oh, shit, son. I might as well get the trade day in, right? Pun intended. Pun intended. Let's see. I don't feel like drawing it on fucking Tradeovate. We're at the 618 right now. Is it going to drop to the 786? Let's get the day in. Let's get a day in here. Noah, what up? What's my strategy? I guess my way in and I guess my way out. I like playing change of direction shit. I'm a directional trader. Bounces, rejections off of key levels. That's what I like to do. Oh, shit. Can I not trade anymore? I guess I can't trade. Do they cut you off at 10 to 2? That's new. No, Granny, don't. Damn, I wanted to get it. I fucking didn't know this fucking came through. DGen Futures Trading, what up? They know me. Yeah, that's new, Alfred. That's new. Apex, you could get paid 3 times in a month with Apex. Well, you could get approved 3 times in a month. I don't know if you'll get all the money in that same month. This, let's look at the calendar. Like this month, for example, if you had day 1 here, you'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 7, 8. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe not. If you roll into, it depends on how many trading days are in the month. If you roll into the month with an account already on day like 4 or 5, then it's doable. And that's if you don't take days off in between waiting for your payout request, which I don't recommend. So more realistically, I would say 2. Benjamin, what up? $614 whiskey. Yeah. Set your timers. Set the countdown timer. I got to go to the fucking gym. I got to go to the gym. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, I got to go to the gym with my son, and then I got to go hitting later. I'm fucking exhausted. Nice job, Andy. Tova, what up? Chef Chris. Yeah. You want to see something funny, guys? Trader back test. Yeah. Just pound that confetti like roast beef. Anyway, guys, I got to bounce. I'm going to hop off. Chef Chris. Time for me to go. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on your way out. Damn, we only hit 81 likes today? Fuck, man. iTrade, what up? Dr. Popufnik. By 18 cents that you hope they approve it? Why wouldn't they? But yeah, I'll be on later. I just don't know when. At some point. JT, what up? Thank you for the lesson in humility, guys. Yeah, smash that like button. Let's get over 100. We got to do it for the stream. Hook your boy up. Appreciate it, guys. Dislikes for the algo. There we go. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for hanging out. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I stream every single day for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, and then randomly at other times. I'm probably not going to be streaming at fucking 3 or 4 in the morning again because I got fucked around with by the market. So probably a better idea to not. However, I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.